without any investment, this platform will pay you the sum of 897 naira 0.89 kobo. All right, yes, you heard me. Without any registration fee, this platform will pay you 897 naira 0.89 kobo. Now I'm going to take us through the registration aspect of this platform, what you need to do in order to earn in this platform, and then how you can be able to withdraw your earning. All right, so what we are basically going to do is to complete this particular survey, which will last for a period of just 1 minute, and you are going to get paid the sum of 897 naira 0.89 kobo. So what you have to do is to click the like button of this video in appreciation of the value you're about to get in today's video. Right, yes, I'm talking to you watching this right now. Go ahead and smash the like button in appreciation, right? And if you're yet to join this beautiful family, why don't you go ahead and click on that subscribe button, then turn on the bell notification so you always get notified anytime we drop some content just like this one you are watching. Okay, now should in case you are coming across my channel for the first time, hi, welcome. I create content around online and offline businesses and how you can be able to earn money online and offline. So do well to join our family by clicking on that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. So with all this being said, guys, let's jump straight into the video. First thing you have to do is to get registered with the platform, right? So once you click the link I'll be revealing at the end of this video, it will bring you over to this interface. So we have two different ways you can be able to register on this particular platform. The first method is signing in with your Google, and the second method is using a different email. All right, now I recommend you use the second method of using a different email address, because something could happen and you will lose account if you have to use this first method. So we'll be making use of this second method. All right, so click on the I will use a different email address. So what you would want to do is to type in your email address right here, and then type in a password you will always remember. Reconfirm the password by retyping it right inside this box, and go ahead and click on sign up, right? And you're done with the registration. If you're here to click the like button of this video, go ahead now, click the like button. If you're here to join this awesome family, go ahead now and smash the subscription button and turn on the bell notification. So let's proceed with the video, guys. So once you are done with your registration and you have logged into your account, of course this is the interface you are going to see, right? And they're going to give you an instant survey for you to complete, which will last for a period of just 1 minute. So I'm going to proceed to complete this particular survey and see if my balance is going to be credited right here. As you can see, my balance up there is 0.00. So after completing this particular survey you are looking at right now, we are going to see if the promise the platform made is going to be fulfilled. All right, so let's proceed. So I'm going to click on the survey in order to complete the survey. So I've clicked on the survey and it's loading. We're going to be given a particular question to answer. Of course, they are telling us what the survey is about. So this is a success tip: do not use profanity and keep your language clean. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click on start in order to proceed. Remember, the survey is going to last for just 1 minute. So let's click on start, and these are the questions. Right now the question says earn cash through survey is easy, but you need to make sure to take your time and answer surveys truthfully and accurately. Sometimes you will get questions with obvious answers. To make sure you are taking your time, here is an example: which is not a type of ground transportation. So we have options here. We have option A, or option 1, which is car. We have option 2, which is motorcycle. We have option 3, which is airplane. We have option 4, which is tree. And obviously plane is not a ground transportation, so we are going to click on plane and then click on next for the next question. So the next question says, when answering questions where you need to type the answer, make sure to keep your language clean and eligible, otherwise it may result in disqualification from the survey. Will this be easy to do? So of course we're going to click on yes, because it's easy to do. All right, so I'm going to complete this particular survey and then continue with the question. So this is the third survey, which says, in your everyday life, how important is online privacy and security? The first option is very important, second option is important, third option is moderately important, fourth one is slightly important, the last one is not important. So of course we are going to click on the first option, which is very important. Of course, our everyday life is utmost important to us. All right, so guys, I'm going to complete the survey and then come back. Oh, of course, the survey doesn't take time. It didn't even take up to 1 minute, and we have earned the sum of 897 naira point 89 kobo. This says congratulations, you have completed the survey. So I'm going to click over to take another survey. So once you are done with a particular survey given to you, they are going to give you another survey automatically. So as you can see over here, my balance has changed to 897 naira point 89 kobo, and when you look over here, you will see that they have given us another survey. So in order to complete the second survey, just go ahead and click on complete survey. Of course, this particular survey will take 6 minutes. All right, and then the success tips say do not use profanity and keep your language clean. So we're going to proceed to click on start in order to complete this second survey. All right, so what is your age? They are going to ask you. We are going to type it right inside this box and then proceed with the second question. So guys, I'm done with the second survey. As you can see over here, it doesn't take time to complete the survey, and I've earned another 823 naira point 7 kobo. And when you look over here, you will see another survey waiting for you which says take another survey. So I am not going to take another survey, rather I'm going to show us another method you can be able to use to earn money using this particular platform. If you have gotten to this extent, guys, I would want you to go ahead and click the like button in order to let me know you are able to get to this particular level, guys. All right, yes, go ahead and click that like button, click on the subscription button if you are here to subscribe to this awesome family. Okay, click on that subscription button and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so you always get notified anytime we drop awesome content just like this one you are watching. When you look over here, you discover that my account has been increased to 1,720 naira point 96 kobo. All right, so let's proceed to another method you can be able to use to earn on this particular platform. So you have to click over here that says games. All right, so we can actually play games in order to earn from this particular platform. Okay, but then I wouldn't want this video to take time. I would go ahead to proceed on how we can be able to cash out our money. But if you want to go ahead and play the games, you can actually click over here which says play games and money. All right, so once you click over there, let's just click over there and see the various games that we have. Oh, this is the various games that we have, which you can actually click on any particular one you want to play, which is this particular one, or you can scroll down, just make a choice of the particular game you want to play. Right, just click on that and then you can actually start playing the game and start earning money. So when you look over, you will see the amount that you can get paid per minute. Okay, and the total amount you can earn after playing this game is right here. All right, so guys, I'm going to proceed to show us how we can be able to withdraw our earning, which is the most important thing. Just like I always say, one thing is making money online and another thing is making sure you can be able to withdraw your earnings online. So let's proceed over here to see the methods we can be able to use to cash out our money. All right, so let's go. Since the platform is paying in naira, definitely we are going to be cashing out in naira. All right, so let's proceed and see for ourselves though. All right, the platform can pay you through PayPal. I think they have not created or brought out naira method of paying or cashing out, right? So but since they are paying in naira, I believe with no time they are going to bring out a method which they can actually send your money to you to your local bank account. I think the method will be coming out very soon. But then if you don't have a PayPal account, you can actually get a friend that has a PayPal account, then use the person's PayPal account to withdraw your earning. And another thing I discovered is that for you to withdraw your earnings, you can get at least minimum of 18,600 naira. And believe me guys, to make this particular 18,600 naira will not be difficult. So I just created this account for the sake of this video and I was able to make the sum of 1,720 naira within 7 minutes. Guys, so getting up to 18,000 naira is not going to be a big deal, right? So I'm going to make another video showing you my withdrawal proof after getting up to 18,000 naira using this particular platform, and I'm going to upload that video right here. All right, so for you not to miss this video when I'm going to upload it, do well to subscribe to the channel, click the like button of this particular video you are watching right now for it to spread to more awesome people just like you. So just like I said at the beginning of this video, I am going to reveal the name of the platform, and then in order to reveal the name of the platform, I'll be posting it in our WhatsApp group. So if you're not in our WhatsApp group, I'll be dropping a link in the video description and also in the comment section of this particular video you're watching. Click the link for the WhatsApp group, join the WhatsApp group, and I will be leaving the name of this particular platform or the link for this particular platform in our WhatsApp group. All right, so this is all I have for us in today's video, guys. Go ahead and click the like button if you're here to click the like button. Join this particular family by clicking on the subscription button, and I'm going to see you on the other side. All right, let's keep winning and always know that Leo loves you. Until next time, I see you again, comrades. Bye.